Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. At first, open the Facebook app on your device. Now click on three-dot line. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Click on Account Center. Now click on Personal Details. Now click on Account Ownership and Control. Now click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the profile. Now tap on Continue. Now enter your Facebook password. Now tap on Continue. By this process, you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.